Assuming history repeats itself and these cycles follow the same footsteps of last cycles, we can assume that a lot of this liquidity that we're seeing from the blue chip, the high cap altcoins at some point will roll into micro caps. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. In today's video, I want to talk about our community token Jonny Five. Yes, uniting fun, community, and a dash of mystery in the crypto. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Full transparency, I cannot speculate price or how many X's this could do. But what I can say, family, is that a lot of people, they say, hey, I want to be part of the next Shiba Inu. I want to be part of a meme coin or a crypto community in its early stages. What better than a community token with a very transparent dev, yours truly, myself, a working team, we work 24/7, and also a vibrant community that every day seems to get stronger and stronger. You can see, family, when I say you are early, we are less than 150 holders. We had a massive move to the upside since inception, about 1200%, and since then we have corrected and built structure, which is, in my opinion, very, very healthy for the token. All right. So again, I'm personally not here to pump anyone's bag, but when I hear those cries, right, of people that say, hey, I want to be part of something in its early stages, a community, a base dev, you know what I mean, that's out here working, building things in Web3, I look around and I'm like, Jonny Five fits the bill. Now, I'll leave the website and everything in the description, guys. Make sure you go do your research, just like any other token. Also, like and subscribe and consider joining the Discord if you have any questions. So I am personally prepared for this liquidity cycle. I have many micro caps, but in the development of this project, the main thing that was on my mind was creating impact on the community and people who never really had that opportunity to get in a project early and really deliver that chance since inception, right? We've been around probably like 30 days, right? We've had strategic partnerships here with Pal AI. Actually, should I say a collaboration with Pal AI where we integrated their bot in the Telegram. Very, very, interesting bot. It's actually under maintenance right now, but it should be up in a few. And you can utilize this bot to ask pretty much anything in crypto. If you've been around my Discord for a while, then we even have this bot integrated into the Discord. But it doesn't just stop at strategic collaborations. You can see here our first official integration across multiple blockchains here was with Swift all-chain bridge. The reason that I personally felt like it was strategic is because, of course, we are BNB token, but we aimed at the beginning of this mission to become Interchain and Omnichain. We'll get into that a little bit later inside the video. I'll also give you guys a tutorial on how to navigate across if you were interested in Jfive, so make sure that you stick to the end. But how I was thinking was, okay, BNB, maybe everybody can't have access to it. Let's become integrated in an all-chain bridge where you can actually swap Jfive across multiple blockchains with over 400 different cryptocurrencies. This was our official first partnership here with Swift blockchain. Swift blockchain is pretty reputable in my opinion. They're listed on Coinbase, so I just thought it was a win-win situation. Again, Pal AI is one of the biggest AI projects integrated across Web3 and across the ecosystem, and it's always been a dream collaboration, right, to be able to collaborate with a team and a rising AI project like Pal AI. Of course, we are a meme coin. We fit under the AI narrative, and we're not here for any type of intrinsic value. But again, being the fact that in any, with any YouTuber, right, the thing is you're building a community, right? You're building a community. In my opinion, most YouTubers, they don't give anything back, right? The whole elephant in this room is like, okay, you just take away from your community. And I was thinking, why not give an opportunity to give back? Right, my community was on my back about this. Millie created token, we will back you, we'll back you. And I always said no. I just felt like the timing was right as we got one step closer to the bull run, right? And of course, we got the BTC halving cycle on the way. And if you know anything about J5, we also have a halving cycle on April 18th where we'll be burning 40% of the supply. So a lot to look forward to. I'm also personally building out utility with this project. The utility doesn't just stop at the community, right? Right now, we utilize the community to pretty much be that the token to pretty much be that utility token for the community. So in order for you to interact with some of the tiers or maybe some of the things that we're building as far as Web3 tools, then you have to hold J5. That's where that utility comes from. We also do weekly rewards where if you are part of the street team and you are shilling Jonny Five, then you put yourself in a position to earn weekly rewards. And if you're part of the top tier of the Patreon, you automatically qualify for monthly J5 rewards. And all of this, there's many people in the community that can attest for the things that I'm saying here. So it's a beautiful time to be part of a project that's rising. We're also, family, a Interchain token. You can see here, this is Jonny Five. We're powered by Axelar. Right now we're Interchain, so we can swap supply in between any one of these contracts, whether it be Arbitron, Moonbeam, Cello, Kava, Base, Optimism, and Base been on fire, Filecoin, Mantle, Scroll, Avalanche, Polygon, and even Linnea. We should have Ethereum on the way. It's a little bit more it's a little bit more tricky with Ethereum, but we should have Ethereum on the way as well. And the goal at some point is to add liquidity pools to each of these contracts and become omni-chain, right? So this is why I'm a big fan of Axelar technology, because it allows you to communicate, with other blockchains at the at simply one click, right? So love to see that we're Interchain token. Once we add liquidity pools to these contracts, we'll be omni-chain. We also have a clean audited. We've been audited by some of the top exchanges in the space. So you can see here, there's no buy tax, there's no sell tax, and family, the contract is renounced. We have a huge supply shock and a huge event on April 18th that's going to, in my opinion, cause this project a lot of exposure and awareness. And again, we do have a marketing wallet, CEX wallet for future listings, and guerrilla marketing down the line. Feel free to check out the roadmap whenever you got an opportunity. Just this morning, we dropped some more news of our future listing here with Grove X. So I think Grove X actually put it here. You can follow Grove X Exchange here. They have about 148,000 followers. Again, a pretty reputable exchange here. And you can see trading begins March 1st. Withdrawals and deposits will start March 5th. So again, we started with Swift blockchain, and now we got our first official CEX listing, Grove X Exchange. So being in early, right, in a project that's literally before 500 to 1,000 holders, this is kind of like giving me those early moments for Sheeb, right? Those early moments for your favorite dog coins or your favorite meme coins. We have a community token where we try to be as transparent as possible, literally each and every day. And all you got to do is interact with the token to be part of that utility and use case. So that's kind of like the gist of what we're building, right? Web3 tools platform, a platform for Web3 tools, right? Basically an altcoin gem hunter bot. We have utility and rewards. We literally have an airdrop wallet where we're constantly giving out rewards, right? And we also aim to be interoperable throughout the entire crypto ecosystem. Again, all of this is public information. Now, a lot of people in the last video were asking me, well, we need a tutorial, like if we were interested in J5. Of course, this is not financial advice, but it's very simple, family. The only thing you got to do is download your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, I would recommend MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You will have to purchase some BNB. I personally use crypto.com exchange. I think that if you're in the Western world, that's probably the easiest exchange to use, which is crypto.com. You can swing over here to Rocket X and simply do a swap for BNB for Jfive, where they give you they are DEX aggregator that give you the best price based on the gas fees. The easiest way to do it would be to swap over here at Pancakeswap. Always make sure that you're on the correct Pancakeswap website. It'll have this warning at the top that says, please make sure you're visiting pancakeswap.finance. Because always, family, make sure you're on the right website before you click on anything, okay? And it's the same, right? Once you got your BNB on your MetaMask or your Trust wallet, you swing over here, you grab the J5 contract. You can do that on Dex Tools, and you just simply add it at the bottom here. Bam. We're using our throwaway wallet here. We still got to give that reward. So if Miss Gill doesn't, pick up her rewards, if you don't know, if you knew, we just had the biggest J5 giveaway a few days ago on my birthday. But the contestant hasn't claimed her reward. So this wallet is full of the rewards, just to show you guys that the rewards are still here. If she doesn't claim it, by a week, then we will spin the wheel again. Okay, and as you see right here, guys, we do spin the wheel consistently. This was on February 27th. We had the biggest giveaway yet for the J5 token. So just being part of the ecosystem puts you in the position to earn J5 tokens. So you earn it basically, passively you're earning J5 tokens. So there you go. But back to the tutorial, right? You swap BNB because BNB is the pair unless you're using Swift blockchain. But you simply swap BNB. You can see here, BNB is the pair. You swap BNB for J5 tokens, whatever you're working to, whatever, you know what I mean? Up to you. And you would take the contract address, right? Copy it, head back over to maybe your MetaMask or your Trust wallet, hit import tokens, and import the contract into your MetaMask so you can be able to see how many J5 tokens that you're holding. So it's very, very simple, guys. This is not as hard as it probably sounds. It's really, really simple once you get your BNB. Again, you can buy BNB directly off Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or you can use a centralized exchange. I find it a little bit easier to use a centralized exchange, but you will have to import your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet on your exchange, and that's probably going to be the hardest part because you'll have to do what 2FA authentication, right? So you have to go through authentication and things of that sort. If you want to not have to utilize that, you can buy BNB directly off your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. But just like that, you can swap BNB for J5 on Pancakeswap, or you can swap it here on Rocket X. These two, in my opinion, are the easiest. If you're in a place where you can actually use Swift blockchain, because it's not available everywhere, then you can utilize our interoperable opportunity here, where you can use this bridge to swap with over 400 different tokens on over 40 different networks. So we do have these things integrated to make it easy and accessible for everybody. But that's it, family. That is it. That's pretty much the gist of the J5 token. Love to see that the structure is being built here, guys. Stay focused. You know what I mean? Stick to your goals, stick to your plans. But if you want to be part of, something that's in its early stages and in a vibrant community, a community that's willing to help, if you're a new person, swing over to the Discord if you have some questions. We have some key events coming up. And yeah, the official market cap is about 5% of the total market cap. And the reason it is because you can go check these locks here. We do have a lock on 94% of the supply. 20% of that is already locked for 20 years. We're doing something special for long-term holders, kids, right? We want to be able to, really put people in the position. If we're saying crypto is going to be here 20 years from now, why not? There's not another meme coin that's doing that. And we're also burning 40% of the supply here on the Binance Burn Wallet on April 18th. So get ready for that event. That's kind of like our halving event. The other 30% goes to rewards and utility and things of that sort, and that we're utilizing to build out an entire platform and ecosystem for the J5. So it's bigger than just a meme coin. Even right now, we're just a community token, no intrinsic value, but we do have we do aim in the future to kind of like build out that utility. And guys, we're real serious about that. So check it out. Go do your research, leave a comment, engage with the video. It really helps with the algorithms. Let's get that awareness out there and let people know exactly what we're doing in the community, because again, we want to be impactful and show the crypto world that there's still people in crypto that operate with integrity and with high character. Guys, just wanted to give you guys a tutorial and how to navigate and do your thing with Jfive. Let me know what you think in the comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.